Welcome to a tutorial on how to use Piclits.com. As you can see, you come to the website, it immediately shows you a photograph and a carousel of photographs above and words organized by parts of speech, noun, adjectives, adverbs, verbs, and universal words that you can drag and drop onto the image. So you can see love, verb here, captures. You could grab my soul. Okay, you can see a really simple way. This is magnet poetry on the refrigerator on a photograph on a website, and you can save this and post it and blog it and email it to your friends. So it's a really fun way. So what is a Piclet? A Piclet is a bunch of descriptive words on an image to capture the essence of a photo. You can do it in drag and drop. You can also do it in freestyle where you can write your own sentences. So what is the overall goal of this website? Well, it's a visual e-learning website that gets users or students to engage with writing by doing, getting them to a task, increases critical thinking skills and creative thinking skills, and helps users learn parts of speech and punctuation and sentence and paragraph structures. So some quick things about the site. You can explore the gallery and see what other people have done with Piclits, and you can click on any of these and it will take you to them. And once you've got an account, you can go to My Piclits and see your own. This will take you to lesson plans related to types of Piclits and parts of speech. And then About is the background and frequently asked questions, and Help is helpful here too. Okay, but let's get you signed up. So if I sign out really quickly, and then I go to sign up, you just put in your email address, your password, and how you want to be referred to, and you sign up. And then you're able to save your Piclits, okay? And so you can save, or you can save as a draft. And they will all come up in My Piclits. So if I sign in, I'll show you that really quickly. I'm in, and then I go to My Piclits. These are all the Piclits I've created, okay? And you can see people who have commented on them, which is kind of fun. I can click on this. This is a letter I wrote to the Earth about climate change, and someone commented on it, so you can see how that works. Okay, now some basics going back home. I showed you the drag and drop mode, and again, it can be, you could write a question, you could define love, you could write a letter to your children and send this to them. Or you could write a letter to your mother and talk about how much she meant to you here. So many ways to interact with it. But you can do drag and drop, or you can do freestyle. Now really quickly, freestyle, you can still have some words from the drag and drop to inspire you. But you can move over here and say, I never knew what love was until I had children. They take my heart to new levels of affection. It goes on, but you can see that this went off the photograph. So I kind of eyeball it where I say, okay, it goes off the photograph at take. So I hit return there, and I can move it. I can move it over. So, and I can hit return here, and I can make this reflect what I want to do, and so it creates this unique picture photograph icon with your words. Okay, so if I'm not inspired by this, I could save this, or I could save as a draft and come back to it. But if I'm not inspired by this and I want to see more photos, and the carousel is showing me, you can see that makes it go forward. I just go to 30 more photos, and you can see that there are lots of photos here. And if you click on them, the word bank changes for that. I'm in freestyle mode, but it changes for that photograph on the volcano. Okay, and if you go to 30 more photos after that, you can see that they change each time. Okay, so you can go into hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of photos there. Okay, excellent. So some basic things as a teacher or as an educator, you can use this. You can put this up on your whiteboard and have students drag words, interact, and add more phrases, or do freestyle. But in this Learn It here will actually say lesson plans soon. It will take you to a Google Doc that will look like this. And you have all these different lesson plans for types of Piclits. You have match objects and words, really basic one, where level 1 asks you to drag and drop, and level 2 will ask you to actually write the words and freestyle. And then there's captions, and then simple sentences and complex sentences, and writing in the past tense, writing in the future tense. Ask a question and then answer it. Write a simile on a photograph, a haiku, a couplet, create dialogue. It goes on and on. And level 1 is sort of elementary and middle level, and then level 2 is your more advanced high school and beyond level. And if you scroll down on this lesson plan, you'll see that there'll be parts of speech as well. So you can have students focused on writing sentences by choosing key nouns, or creating prepositional phrases, or using conjunctions, or appositive phrases as it gets more advanced. So a really, really great way to get users generating content on Piclits, but also to have students interact as well. So if you have questions, you can go to frequently asked questions or help button. And at the bottom here, contact us if you want to deactivate your account, or you want to change your password, or if you see any abuse. This is a great, fun way to get students excited about writing and to get all users creating unique Piclits. Hope you have some fun with it, enjoy it, and we look forward to seeing your Piclits.